The rise of space technology and why India is leading the way of emerging nation. India has always been a nation that has been at the forefront of innovation. The country is now becoming a leader in space technology and is making strides in the field of space exploration. India is leading the way for emerging nations when it comes to space exploration. The Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, has launched 104 satellites into orbit, more than any other country. They have also sent probes to orbit Mars and Venus, and are currently working on sending astronauts into space by 2023. India's current space exploration program. India's space exploration program has been a major development for the country and the world. The Mars Orbiter mission, MOM, was India's first interplanetary mission to Mars and was launched on November 5, 2013 by the ISRO. The mission is designed to study Mars' surface features, morphology, mineralogy and atmosphere with a focus on answering questions about its past water activity. After completing its primary objectives, was given a new task of studying how Martian weather systems work and how they can be used to predict weather on Earth. MOM's scientific payload consists of 5 instruments: 1. Lyman alpha photometer (LAP), 2. Methane sensor for Mars (MSM), 3. Thermal infrared imaging spectrometer (TIS), 4. Gyroscopic instrument unit (GSU), and 5. Mars Descent Imager Camera (MARDI). The Lyman alpha photometer is a 6-channel photometer for measuring long-wavelength astronomical emission lines from Mars. The LAP data will be used to study the structure of the Martian atmosphere, detect water vapor and create a map of Mars' chemical composition. India's latest achievements in the field of space exploration means a lot for its future growth. Its contribution to various international missions, as well as successful launches of its own satellites, have made it one of the most sought-after players in this field. Space tourism. There is a misconception that space tourism is just like any other kind of tourism. In reality, space tourism has several unique aspects that make it different from all of other forms of tourism. One key difference is that most people who take a trip on Earth typically go with their family or friends, whereas people in space will be spending time with strangers. This lack of emotional intimacy could be a challenge for some individuals and families, but geographic proximity could help mitigate these challenges. The experience of space travel would completely change how people live, according to the abstract. People would have to be flexible in their daily routines and schedules due to the unpredictable nature of the mission. For example, a common schedule for a day on Earth might be waking up at 7 a.m. and going to work until 2 p.m., but this schedule may not apply during space travel because of solar flares or other natural unknowns on Earth. Future of space. In a world that is becoming increasingly connected, space exploration has become more important than ever. In the past few years, we have seen a number of countries making their first steps into the space industry. ISRO is one such example of this trend. Space exploration has been a part of human civilization for centuries. The first known use of space technology dates back to 1957 when Sputnik was launched and became the first artificial satellite to orbit Earth. However, in recent years, there has been an exponential increase in investments and interest in space exploration, with dozens of countries launching satellites and exploring new frontiers in outer space. The rapid growth in private investment and commercialization will continue to shape the future of the industry as more players enter it with different business models and goals. NASA is working on a plan to bring humans to Mars in 10 years. The plan includes the use of nuclear propulsion, which is more efficient than chemical propulsion. The plan for NASA includes 3 launches of the SLS rocket with Orion spacecraft and a total of 4 crewed launches. The first launch will be uncrewed, followed by 2 crewed launches, and then 1 more uncrewed launch. Sooner or later, mankind needs a second home because of rise in global warming and also of natural calamities. It is up to us as to how much we can delay the migration of our civilization from Mother Earth. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and also like the video for more such contents.